Good afternoon, everyone. It's Mac from Simple Theory Gear. Hope you're doing really well. An exciting day for us today. We are actually officially announcing the release of our new stove, the Pack Stove XL. Will be on the website this week with some special deals and offers also on there, kind of make the whole thing as exciting as possible in a sense. We're really looking forward to releasing this stove. Now, as you can see, this is the XL version next to our original Pack stove. Now, I did a kind of an instructional or showcase video on the XL about 2 weeks ago or so. Some slight changes have been made. I'll show you that. But overall, go back and watch that video for all the specs. This, again, is really just a launch video to kind of show you some things in action. Right off the gate, you can see the difference in size. The original one is great for that one, or say the solo camper looking to boil some water, some light meals. The XL can really put off great BTUs, can cook bigger meals, 2 to 3 people on the trail. This is an excellent choice. And one of the rationales that we use to kind of do that is looking at cooking systems. So let me get this one out of the way for you here and going to the bigger stove. Now, the bigger stove has a bigger diameter. It's 4.25. So for those people who like to take the Stanley cook set, all right, and as you've seen, my heavily used, never trust clean gear, guys, on reviews. As you see the Stanley cook set here, it fits perfectly inside our regular Pack stove, and this was the complete cooking system that you were able to bring down range with you, downfield with you. So what we wanted to do here is offer more. So if you have the, let's say, the Ozark Trail Cup, and you like to carry a cup with your cook set, now the cup is going to fit right in, cook set on top, so now you have even more options so that you can be boiling while drinking water or eating while cooking up that next part of your meal, all set and ready to go. It's a nice tight fit, so there's not any rattle, and you'll be fine with that. If you like the bigger brew system, the boil and brew, that fits too from Stanley. And we're not just Stanley people. It's just a matter of what a lot of people like to use, and I think it's a nice way to showcase size. That 4.25 inches of diameter gives you a really nice solid base as well if you're using for bigger. Hopefully this is in frame. Not sure if it is or not. This is the GSI Duelist. I'm also using that to show you. So one, you see the bigger footprint now, but also as we go inside, again, we have the locking system underneath for our boil plate or our burn plate. All are going to come with the elevated burn plate, giving you the most versatility in terms of our burn plates. But it's going to fit right inside the stove, right inside the Duelist, and it's not too tall. So now you have, if you wanted to bring a pot system with you and then carry your water bottle on the side, you're ready to go. So a lot of great options. The final option I'll show you that I have just ready here and available. Some people like the Pathfinder, the Self-Reliance Outfitters, maybe I should call it that. If you have that cup, it fits perfectly inside. And then if you wanted to use, sorry about that, if you wanted to use your Nalgene, will go in it. Or if you wanted to use, this is a 40-ounce clean canteen, and you're really ready to go. So that's going to offer a much more versatility in terms of boiling, cooking, and consumption food options. It does come, if you want to, you can order the ash pan and solid fuel plate so that you can do that. If you want to, you can order a tin to go with it. Now these tins, we're keeping them the small tins so that they can kind of go back and forth depending if you've already purchased a prior system. But also it just makes sure you have more space in the under chamber so that you can keep everything all in one, locked tight, and you're ready to go without the hindrance of it not fitting properly. Also, unlike the original Pack stove, these will actually come with the Simple Theory gear bag. It's a really nice bag so that you have a nice protection from the soot, from all your needs inside your backpack. So that is, in a nutshell, the release. The stove is so much more versatile, again, but also the same high quality, built for durability, has better airflow, Some of the changes we made to enhance that are shown on that last video. And we really hope you guys like the stove. If you have any questions, please let me know. I think I covered just about everything. The weight of the stove is about 14.5 ounces. So still under a pound and ready to be your stove in the backcountry. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Look for this on our website, www.simpletheorygear.com, in the next few days. Thanks, guys.